Welcome to the presentation on essential lab equipment and their importance.
Wow!
In this presentation, we will cover the key equipment commonly used in laboratories and their critical roles in research and experimental procedures. Microscope. The microscope is essential for examining small specimens, such as cells and tissues, which are invisible to the naked eye. It plays a crucial role in biological and material science research by allowing for detailed observations and analysis. Incubator. An incubator provides a controlled environment for the growth and development of cell cultures. It is essential in microbiology and cell biology research, where maintaining specific temperature and humidity levels is necessary for experiments.
Pipettes and micropipettes. Pipettes and micropipettes are used to accurately transfer small volumes of liquids. The precision is fundamental for many laboratory procedures, such as preparing solutions and handling samples in experiments. Safety equipments. Finally, safety equipments such as gloves, goggles, and lab coats are essential to protect lab personnel from chemical, biological, and physical hazards. Ensuring personal safety in the laboratory is a top priority for preventing accidents and injuries. Conclusion. In conclusion, these pieces of equipment are foundational for conducting safe, precise, and effective laboratory research. Understanding their functions and importance ensures the successful execution of experiments across a variety of scientific disciplines